Alright guys, we are back from the introduction video. We're sitting right here tearing apart this Craftsman motor, or tractor. That's Craftsman 18 horsepower OV8 or OHV. I'm gonna try to do this one-handedly. See how this goes. I don't got no fancy tripod or anything. What's up here? Oh, that was actually easier than I thought it was. Thought there was some kind of like a hose clamp on it. But right now we're just tearing everything off, and I'm gonna try to see what I can save for that Craftsman over there, because that one's a good run one. As soon as I get it running again. I'm gonna figure out where I can put you guys. Let's see how it looks over here. Alright, see how that works. If that works good, then we're dropping things. And we'll see how that looks, and hopefully it looks pretty snazzy. Now, I'm not claiming I know a lot, because, you know, like, I did some schooling with these. Well, I guess I can't really call it schooling, because I just basically one day started tinkering with these things, and that's how it all went. Or we can take it off that way. That was cool too. Never understood why these things are always such a pain. But we got it right here. Got the carb off. I can use some cleaning. You can put these up here. Now you guys are going to be with me to find out what's all in this thing. Because wrong size. Whenever I took the hood off of this thing, there's like a whole bunch of spiders and like, I don't know where this thing lived. There's like wood chips in there, and there's like tons and tons of ants coming out of this thing. So now let's start taking off this plastic here.